Haka baidai bagi jingwan ke jelas Trei do, haka jingi okerdan ke Performance Grade Index PGI haka Pule Puthi. U Conrad kongkal sang ma ulong bau syem ke jing ai kerdan haka PGI kum kelenti ke babiang ba. Bat kene kenang ai mensia me ke jela bahkan yai Trei Shitom syok haka ban penjenai ke kam Pule Puthi. Ulong ba ke Pule Puthi kedai ke berjerubit jerwat ba bat kanu ke kam ne kerai bagi syem ke jing keta jungi ni kirai bikin Trei kam lan iu so kan simpor degi senam. Ba kin ompau daki benai. Mereka cimpor degi senam ulong. Menteri rang ba ulukular bagajela kan syong klikti. Mereka ni biteng Menteri Shitom hagaban penjenai ke kam Pule Puthi bat Menteri kam bahasyu nang ni syakaman.
In economics, as they call them, very sticky issues. Education is a very sticky issue, and whatever processes or decisions we make, the impact of those decisions to come into effect or see the result of it takes years, if not months. So therefore, I still maintain my stand that the reform process is on. We are seeing the differences, we are seeing the changes, we are seeing improvements taking place. But for that improvement to then reflect into the PGI, the index that is there, is going to take time. We cannot expect. Like for example, we went into the CBSE, the books for certain subjects. Those marks for that and the reflection of those in terms of the higher PGI marks that we should get will come in now, and then maybe that will add to a bit of improvement in our PGI ratings that are there. So these are very complex matters, and I'm totally agreeable that yes, we are very disappointed that we are not able to increase our ranking. But I can tell you one thing: it's not that we are giving up in any way. This is a big challenge for us, and I can assure you that we will, with these kind of reports are coming in, it just makes us want to work even harder, and we will continue to work hard to ensure that we will turn this around. And I'm very confident that with the team that's working right now, with the kind of results we are seeing, the interventions that we're doing, in spite of the massive challenges that are there, these results will improve. We will do better. Like sports, it took us a lot of time, but we're seeing this moving in the right direction. In the areas of tourism also, we're seeing things moving in the right direction. Like in the areas of health, we're seeing things moving in the right direction. Like in the areas of entrepreneurship, we're seeing things move in the right direction. I'm sure education also, it will take a bit more time, but I'm sure that we'll get results.